Grow your own food this summer, no matter where you are. The sun is high, the days are long, and summer is calling your name. But this season, it's not just about beach trips or backyard barbecues. It's about growing your own food, wherever you are. Whether you're in a sprawling rural homestead, a cozy suburban bungalow, or a high-rise city apartment, cultivating your own herbs, vegetables, and fruits is easier than you think. Picture this: plucking fresh basil from your windowsill for a caprese salad, harvesting tomatoes from your balcony for a zesty salsa, or snipping microgreens from a countertop garden for a nutrient-packed smoothie. Growing your own food isn't just a trend, it's a revolution, and this summer, you're invited to join it. Why grow your own food? Imagine biting into a sun-warmed strawberry you grew yourself, its sweetness exploding on your tongue, or tossing homegrown lettuce into a salad, knowing it's free of pesticides and bursting with flavor. Growing your own food is more than a hobby. It's a way to reconnect with nature, save money, and take control of what you eat. Studies show homegrown produce can be richer in nutrients, and gardening itself reduces stress and boosts mental health. Plus, it's a climate-friendly choice: less packaging, fewer food miles, and a smaller carbon footprint. But the best part? You don't need a big yard or a green thumb to get started. With a little creativity and the right approach, anyone can grow food. Yes, even you, with that tiny studio apartment or concrete patio. Getting started. Know your space. Your growing journey begins with one question: what's your space like? No matter where you are, there's a solution that fits. Urban dwellers. If you're in a city apartment, think vertical and compact. Windowsills, balconies, and even walls can become mini farms. Try stackable planters, hanging pots, or wall-mounted grow bags for herbs, cherry tomatoes, or strawberries. No outdoor space? Indoor hydroponic kits or countertop gardens with grow lights can yield fresh greens year-round. Suburban homeowners. Got a backyard or patio? You're in luck. Raised garden beds or container gardens are perfect for vegetables like zucchini, peppers, or kale. Even a small lawn can host a few square-foot garden plots. Rural residents. With more land, the sky's the limit. Think sprawling rows of corn, trellises for beans, or fruit trees for future harvests. But don't feel pressured to go big. Start small with a few crops and expand as you gain confidence. Crops for summer success. Summer's warmth is ideal for fast-growing, sun-loving plants. Here are foolproof picks for beginners, tailored to small or large spaces. Herbs: basil, mint, cilantro. Perfect for windowsills or small pots. They're low maintenance, quick to grow, and elevate any dish. Pro tip: pinch basil tops to encourage bushier growth. Cherry tomatoes. These thrive in containers or hanging baskets, producing juicy fruits all summer. Choose compact varieties like Tiny Tim for tight spaces. Lettuce and microgreens. Ideal for indoor or outdoor growing, these leafy greens are ready in weeks. Sow seeds every 2 weeks for a continuous harvest. Peppers. From sweet bells to spicy jalapenos, peppers love heat and do well in pots or garden beds. They're colorful and productive. Zucchini. A single plant can yield dozens of fruits in a raised bed or large container. Pick them small for tender flavor. Tips and tricks for a thriving harvest. 1. Start small. Don't overwhelm yourself. Begin with 1 or 2 plants and scale up as you learn. Choose the right containers. For container gardening, ensure pots have drainage holes and are large enough for root growth, at least 12 inches deep for most vegetables. 3. Soil matters. Use high-quality potting mix for containers or enrich garden soil with compost. Healthy soil equals healthy plants. 4. Water. Wisely. Most summer crops need consistent moisture but hate soggy roots. Water early in the morning to reduce evaporation. 5. Sun is key. Most food crops need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. South-facing windows or patios are ideal. 6. Get creative. No space? Try regrowing kitchen scraps. Green onions, celery, or lettuce can sprout from stubs in water or soil, or join a community garden for shared plots. Overcoming common challenges. Worried about pests, space, or time? Here's how to tackle common hurdles. Pests. Use natural deterrents like neem oil or companion planting, e.g. marigolds to repel bugs. Netting can protect outdoor crops. Limited space. Go vertical with trellises or shelving, or invest in a compact hydroponic system for indoor growing. Time constraints. Low-maintenance crops like herbs or microgreens require minimal care. Set up a self-watering pot for worry-free gardening. No experience? No problem. Start with easy growers like radishes or chives. Check out the YouTube channel, *AgriLoom* for beginner-friendly tutorials and tips. The joy of harvesting. There's nothing like the thrill of your first harvest. Snip a sprig of mint for your mojito, slice a homegrown cucumber for a refreshing salad, or share your bounty with neighbors. Each bite is a reminder of your hard work and a step toward a more sustainable lifestyle. Plus, kids love getting involved. Gardening is a fun way to teach them where food comes from. Join the movement. This summer, growing your own food is more than a project. It's a statement. It's about reclaiming your connection to the earth, savoring fresher flavors, and proving that anyone, anywhere, can be a farmer. So grab a pot, some seeds, and a little sunshine. Your urban jungle, suburban oasis, or rural retreat is ready to bloom. Ready to dig in? Visit your local nursery or check online for starter kits. Follow AgriLoom on YouTube for expert gardening advice, and join Grow Your Own on social media for inspiration. This summer, let's grow something delicious together.